I will cut a kilo of potatoes. I will cut 1 onion. I will mince the garlic. I will grate 1 carrot. I'll add a teaspoon of salt. I will add a teaspoon of dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. I'll mix it all up. I need 200 grams of bacon. I need clean and washed jars. I add a bay leaf to each jar. A few grains of pepper. I fill the jar alternately with bacon and vegetables to the top. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will fill the other jars in the same way. I will cover the jars with aluminum foil. Pierce the foil in several places with a toothpick. I create jars on an oven tray. I pour 2 deciliters of water into the pan. I take the pan to a cold oven. Then I turn on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. When the oven is heated to 180 degrees Celsius, I bake for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, our meal is ready. Lunch prepared this way is extremely tasty. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.